chairperson. Rusi channel. Shahnaz kanwal. Psalm 101. Psalms 101.1 I will sing of mercy and judgment. Unto thee, O Lord, will I. Psalms 101-2 I will behave myself wisely in a perfect way. Oh, when wilt thou come unto me? I will walk within my house with a perfect heart. Psalms 101:3 I will set no wicked thing before mine eyes. I hate the work of them that turn aside. It shall not cleave to me. Psalms 101-4 A froward heart shall depart from me. I will not know a wicked person. Psalms 101:5 Whoso privily slandereth his neighbor, him will I cut off. Him that hath an high look and a proud heart will not I suffer. Psalms 101-6 Mine eyes shall be upon the faithful of the land, that they may dwell with me. He that walketh in a perfect way, he shall serve me. Psalms 101:7 He that worketh deceit shall not dwell within my house. He that telleth lies shall not tarry in my sight. Psalms 101-8 I will early destroy all the wicked of the land, that I may cut off all wicked doers from the city of the Lord. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.